Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to set up shipping for your new shop theme. This is the new responsive shop theme by PremiumPress. So firstly what we do is we log into the admin area of our website, and under the theme options we're going to click on tax and shipping. Now what we've done here, we've set up an option called regions, and what this does is it lets you group specific countries, states and into regional options which then can be applied for your tax and shipping. So if you're going to be setting up a price, say for the US or the UK, you would add a new region, and then using the tax options and the shipping options you can then set prices for those regions. So if we go ahead to start with and add a new region for the US, so let's have a look. We're going to give it a display name which is just an admin name, so anything we like, so we'll just give it US. We click on show details, and this is where we can set our country and our state. So I would select this country, so we scroll down, click on United States. Okay, the page at the top's got a prompt just to show you that it's going to take a few moments to gather all of the states, so just give it a moment. Okay, there they are, and we're going to click on Save Changes. So let me recap what I've just done. I've created a new region, we've called it US, which was going to cover all of the United States, country and states in the US. So those are the regional options I've got there. So what I'm basically telling the system, if I went to say for tax options or shipping options, is that only apply the options I'm going to be setting for the region US. So that way then I can specify different tax options and shipping options based on the region setting that I've created. So in this video tutorial I'm just going to quickly show you the shipping options. So if we go to the shipping and we go down to the country rate shipping, firstly we do is we make sure we've turned it on, so we're going to enable it. Yep. We can set a shipping method. Default will just be none, which means it will just apply to the region that you set directly rather than apply to the method in the region. And then we can obviously select the region we've just created, US, and then I can set a price for light, medium, heavy and very heavy items. So if we just go for $10, 20, 30 and 40 and just click on save. Okay, and go back just to recap. So if we go ahead and select the US again, you can see the values are then repopulated. Okay, so if we go to our website now, if I was a customer, and we're going to click on any of these, example listing 8, so if I'm going to click more details. Now I'm going to quickly show you as the admin of this product, so you've added this product, if I click on edit this product, in the admin area, obviously under the theme options, we've got this option called tax and shipping. Now because I want to apply shipping charges to it, I need to ensure that the add shipping charges is set to yes. And it's the same with tax. If you're going to be adding tax to it, make sure that's set to yes as well. So that's the edit product in the admin area. So I'll go back to the main website again. Okay, back to example listing 8, more details. I'm going to add this to my cart, so the current price is 300. There we go, so add it to my cart, so I've got example listing 8, total is 300. Obviously the user would then go ahead and fill in all the details, and when it comes to checking out and they select their delivery details, United States. Okay, it's going to update, and there we go, the United States, and it's set now my shipping value of $10, which is what I put in the admin area. So if I go to listing again, and just quickly show you another small option that you can adjust. If we edit the product in the admin area, and scroll down, we can see that the weight range is here. So we've got this weight range option that we can set. So we can set the item to be light, medium, heavy or very heavy. And this corresponds again with the shipping options in the admin area under the country rate shipping as to the price for light items, price for medium items, heavy and very heavy. So that's where the values will come in here, obviously for each product that's added to the customer's checkout. So if we're going to add an additional option, which is the select method or the shipping method option. So this is where you can kind of set your own different shipping methods. So if I quickly go to the checkout page, you'll see under the delivery details, preferred method, there's obviously nothing there. So if I wanted to create my own, I could just go into the admin area again, click on add new, and I'll call this ground shipping. Okay, and if I want to add another one, I'll call it air shipping. Okay, I'll just click save and I'll just quickly show what that looks like. So if I refresh the page, you can see now we've got this preferred delivery method, ground shipping and air shipping. And what this does is it lets you customize and create your own options and then set specific prices for those as well. To set a specific price for those, again in the admin area, shipping options, country rate shipping, we first select the method We then select the region and then set the value. So we're going to do 100, 200, 300, 400, just so you can see a noticeable difference in the price. Click on save. We can go back again just to confirm that it's saved by first selecting the method, then selecting the region, and you can see the prices then populated. Now I've set that for ground shipping. If I wanted to set a value then for air shipping, select the method, select the region, and then set the value. So I'm going to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, just so you can see a noticeable difference. Okay, so that's my value set. Go back to checkout. Okay, the ground shipping option. So if I clicked on air shipping, click on continue, we can see now that the price there is 4,000 for air shipping. And clicking again on the ground shipping, just give it a moment for this to refresh, and the shipping there is 100. And those are the prices that we've set, obviously in the admin area under the country rate shipping options, and then the method, and then the region. So that's 4,000 for the light. So that's very basic, but that's the quick way of setting up your regional shipping, and it's the same concept with tax as well, country tax. It's the same concept from the both.